Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Shika's Kitchen. So today I am going to be preparing sweet and sour chicken. As you can see, I already diced my chicken breast. I washed in vinegar and lime. Now I'm going to season and set aside for marination. So I am adding a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose, a teaspoon of chicken season, and some diced garlic. Now I'm going to set aside for marination. Now I'm going to be preparing my diced garlic, my diced onion, diced red, green, and yellow bell pepper, some diced scotch bonnet pepper, and diced carrots. Here you go guys, I've diced all my seasons, so I'm going to set aside now and I'm going to dice my pineapple. I'm going to be preparing my sweet and sour sauce. So I had some honey, I had a teaspoon of sugar, I have half a cup of tomato ketchup and quarter cup of barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Then I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now I'm going to incorporate everything. I'm going to put it on the fire and low heat for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to be preparing our diced chicken breast. We had a pot on the fire with some oil. We're eating it. Now we're going to flour our chicken. We're going to fry them very crispy and nice. So here we go. Here we have our sweet and sour chicken, and our sweet and sour sauce is here, and our chicken is coming on smoothly and nice. Here you go guys, our sweet and sour sauce is ready. It has a tangy taste, it has a sweet taste, and it has a sour taste. Here our chicken is ready. Now we're going to tip a teaspoon of oil in the pot. Now we're going to add our garlic, our onion, and stir for about a minute or 2. Then we're going to add all our bell peppers, red, green, yellow bell peppers, our yellow bell peppers, our scotch bonnet pepper, and our garlic. We're gonna stir all this together for about 2 minutes because we don't want it to get too saggy. We don't want them to get soft. So we're gonna stir for 2 minutes. So now we're gonna add our pineapples, and all those flavors will be coming up now. We're gonna stir it for about stir it and leave it for about 3 minutes. We're gonna stir. Now we're going to add our chicken breast, and we're going to incorporate everything together now. We're going to stir them together. And then we are going to add our sweet and sour sauce. we're stirring in all these flavors together, guys, and then we're going to leave it on the fire and low heat for about 2 minutes. Our sweet and sour chicken is all done. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.